welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing the Patrick Starrr collection for MAC, the Floral Realness kit. So I literally just got back home. I ran downtown and went to the MAC Pro on St. Catherine and I picked up one of the kits. I picked up Me So Fleek and I am so excited to share this kit with you guys, give you guys some swatches and a tutorial. But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can know whenever I post a new video. So this is the kit right here. The packaging is beautiful and floral and spring, even though all of the summer collections are coming out, but whatever, let's roll with it. So this kit was $49.50, $50 plus tax, so it was like close to 60, I think. So in the Me So Fleek kit, you get one retro matte lipstick, one lip gloss, one 4-pan eyeshadow, and one powder blush duo. So my friend Zena works at the MAC Pro St. Catherine, and we kind of like crunched the numbers to see how much this would cost if you bought everything individually, and it is literally double the price if you bought everything individually. So, I mean, you're saving money basically by buying this, you know? So let's go ahead and unbox this. Oh, you actually get like a face chart in the kit. That's pretty nice. So this is the face chart here. I might try to do something similar. I don't think I can do exactly, the exact same thing, but hopefully something close to this. So this is the first item here. So here we have the two lip products. We have the matte lipstick and also a lip gloss. Ooh, this is really nice. So there's two shades in the compact. I'm not sure if the top shade is supposed to be a blush as well or a highlight, but I'll play around with it in a little bit and figure that out. And then last but not least, we have the eyeshadow palette. This one is called Play With Me. The reason I picked up the Me So Fleek kit over the other one is because the blue shade in this palette is so pretty. Like I swatched it in store, it is gorgeous. And I feel like this blue shade we've seen a lot of recently in a lot of palettes, but I haven't picked up any of the palettes with that like royal blue shade. So I figured now's the time. So this powder blush duo is called Take Me Home. It has two lovely shades. Like at first I thought maybe the lighter color was a highlight, but they're two blushes. So they kind of look a bit similar when I swatched them on my hand, but in the pan they look very different. I'm excited to try these out and see how they look on my face. So the lip products have the exact same classic scent for all MAC products. This lip gloss is very pretty, it's very pigmented, it's pink, it has glitter, it looks lovely. I hope it wears nice on the lips as well, because sometimes when there's glitter in a lip gloss it kind of feels chunky, but we'll see how this feels on the lips. So this matte retro lipstick is called Hey Boy Hey. This swatches very well, very smooth. I'm excited to see how this looks on the lips, but just by swatching it, I am very excited to try. So this palette is gorgeous. The lightest shade in the quad itself, I found that it swatched a little bit chalky. It didn't have like a perfect swipe when I applied it. However, all of the other shades swiped very beautifully, very pigmented, and just swatched very rich. Okay guys, let's jump into this look. I put my hair up because it was being really annoying. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the quad, obviously. I'm gonna go ahead and use the first matte shade. This one is called All's Rosy. And just using a big fluffy brush, I'm just going to tap in. There's a little bit of like kickback when I tap out, but it's nothing crazy. Oh wow. I was kind of expecting it to be almost like a nude color, but it's a bit more pink, which is nice. But you just never know before you try it on your lids. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a flat brush, and I'm gonna go right into this blue color. So this is no fix plus or anything. This is just the direct color. So now I want to take a little tapered brush and go into the hot pink fluorescent fuchsia shade. There's a little bit of fallout in the palette, but like nothing crazy. I'm just gonna tap it out. And there is a bit of product that falls out when you tap it, but like nothing wild, And taking a clean brush, I'm just blending that out. So I'm gonna go back into this big fluffy brush and just kind of blend this out a little bit. And I'm also gonna take a little bit of this pink and just go under the lashes here. So I left this part of the eye blank, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the light pinky champagne color. What is this one called again? called Living in Pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that, but I'm gonna use some setting spray. And now taking a small taper brush, I'm gonna go back into that blue shade and just align my eye. And now I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. Let's finish up this eye. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the blue and just kind of go over top here. I kind of want to be able to see a bit more of the blue with my eyes open. So for the bottom waterline, I'm actually going to use a white liner. This is like the NYX Jumbo Milk Eye Pencil. I'm just going to put that in the bottom line. Then I'm going to go ahead and tightline with a black waterproof liner. And I'm going to go in and put lots and lots of mascara. I'm going to move on to the rest of my face and I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Okay, so the eye look is pretty much done. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the blush now. So I just want to use the darker shade. So I kind of feel like you're dipping into the light shade as well. So might as well. We'll just be very blushy. So I'm going to take a little bit of my highlight and go just under the brow bone. So for the highlight, I'm actually going into my favorite MAC highlight of all time. This is the Extra Dimension Skinfinish in Beaming Blush. I don't think it's technically a highlight, but it gives a highlight effect. I think it's in the blush section if you go look for it, but it is beautiful. And I'm going to take a little bit of it and go in the inner corner as well. Okay, so let's go into the lip. So this is the Retro Matte Lipstick in Hey Boy Hey. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lip gloss over top because let's go ahead and be extra. All right guys, there you guys go. This is the finished look using the Patrick Starrr from MAC. What is it called? This is the Me So Fleek collection, kit, whatever you want to call it. I really like it. I definitely do think it's worth the money because if you were to go to MAC and buy a quad like this or make your own and a blush and a lipstick and a lip gloss, it would be like $120. But if you want to get like all of these items in one kit, it's like half the price. The other kit that was available is definitely, it was more purpley, and the face chart that they had was definitely more soft and subtle. So this one is definitely more bold and bright and beautiful, but I'm really glad that I got this because this particular shade of blue, I feel like we've seen a lot of in different palettes and different collections. It's been very trendy. And I've hesitated to pick up any palettes with this blue shade in it, but I'm glad that I got this one because I definitely think it's worth it. I think there's a lot of use out of this. I think the colors are really beautiful, really pigmented. The only shade that's kind of annoying is the first one, the matte one called All's Rosy. It's a little bit chalky, but not super chalky, like you can still work with it and blend. The other two shades, like the fuchsia and the blue, are gorgeous, and that like frosty, metallic, pinky champagne one, that is gorgeous as well. I think the lipstick is beautiful. I'm just thinking about this now, but you could totally do like an ombre effect if you wanted to. Like you could use the lipstick and just like trace the outline of your lips and kind of blend it in and then go over top with the lip gloss. That would be really pretty as well. But yeah, lip gloss I really like. I was kind of worried at first because it kind of looks like there's glitter in the lip gloss, but you don't feel like a heavy chunky glitter or anything like that. It's fine, it's perfect. And the blush is beautiful as well. That's what I'm wearing. I ended up wearing both colors because I was like, it'll just be extra rosy, I don't care. The compact is beautiful. You do get like quite a bit of product. So a regular MAC blush is 6 grams and this duo blush is 10 grams. I definitely think this collection is worth it. I love the bold blues and bright colors. I think this is fun. It's festive. It's time for spring, even though it's going to be summer very soon. But I just think it's a wonderful collection. Even like the packaging is so beautiful and floral. I kind of wish I had like a background like just like with this behind me. The only thing that's kind of a drawback is that when you buy the kit, you don't get to pick and choose. Like the kit is these shades, that's it. Like you can't like swap from different ones, you know? So if you like the lipstick from the other kit more, you couldn't like switch it out or anything. But that's okay. Like if you're like me and you've been seeing this blue shade a little bit everywhere and you're kind of waiting to find like the right palette to get it, I think this is worth it because the colors that come with it are beautiful, and I don't know, I just think it's 100% worth the money. And this is the look that I created today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some inspiration for some of your looks as well. Let me know down in the comments if you've picked up this kit or if you plan on doing so in the future. But before we go, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know whenever I post a new video. And I think that's all I have for you guys for today. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.